Good morning. My name is Dr. Michael Olson. Welcome to Meteorology 2010. I have the privilege to be your instructor this semester for this exploratory course to weather and climate. This really is a very exciting course, and I really look forward to working with each and every one of you as we learn together more about the weather and the climate. This video is an outline of the course, showing how we will proceed through the semester, including the course schedule, what you should study each week, and how your grade will be evaluated. Last week, I sent out a link to the current syllabus. You should have already had a chance to look through it. If not, please take some time and read it. You can find it on the content page under course information. It is the first link here. If you have read it, please take another look, as some dates may have changed since I first sent it out last week. Please be sure to note all dates, as these dates are fixed and you will be expected to complete assignments by these dates. Meteorology is a very broad field, so we will only be able to touch on basic topics. We won't get into much detail. As such, this is a very conceptually based course. Very little math will be involved. For the little math that is in the course, I will show the steps, making the math very easy to follow. To best present the course, I have divided the course into 4 segments, as seen in the course syllabus. Each segment will cover 3 to 4 chapters. Each segment will also span about 4 weeks. The first segment covers the origin, structure, and other basic variables that govern the atmosphere. The second segment starts discussing some of the variables in the motion of the atmosphere. The third segment takes everything we have learned in the first 2 segments to describe conditions of severe weather. We'll look into how these severe storms form, as well as some impacts on society. We will also take some time in Chapter 9 to learn about weather forecasting and some weather forecasting techniques. The fourth and final segment will then address our Earth's climates and the current issues of climate change. One homework assignment will be assigned for each chapter, and these assignments will be due on the final day of that segment. For each assignment, you will get 2 attempts, so you can research mistakes from your first attempt, correct errors, and then retry the homework again. The highest of the 2 attempts will be taken towards your grade. One exam will be administered after the homework is complete for that segment. The exam can be completed at any time before the due date for the segment. Although the homework isn't due until the end of each segment, I highly recommend that you do not wait until the end of the segment to complete your work. In addition to the homework and the exams, there will be a series of at-home labs. With the exception of Lab 3, all of these labs can be done sitting at your own computer. There is no need to come onto campus. For Lab 3, you actually get to measure the relative humidity of the air using nothing but a thermometer, a wet cloth, and a calculator. I will describe more on Lab 3 later on in the course. So as an example for each segment, the first segment on the fundamentals of the atmosphere begins today, January 17th, and ends on Friday, February 10th. We'll cover the first 4 chapters of the book, discussing the origin of the atmosphere, how the atmosphere gains and retains its heat, temperature, and finally humidity and clouds. The homework will all be due for these 4 chapters on February 10th. Exam will open as soon as those 4 assignments are completed and is also due on February 10th. Throughout that segment, you will also have the first 3 labs, which are due on the dates indicated here. As soon as you finish the first segment, you can move on to the second segment. There's no need to wait for that start date. All course activities are already open, so if you wanted to complete the entire course in less time, you are welcome to follow at your own pace. I have compiled some notes, videos, and other useful information which you can find by navigating to the content page. Here you will find modules dedicated to each segment, separated by chapter. Under each chapter, you will find notes, labs, and homework assignments. In addition, you may find some extra tools which I have included for your benefit as we go throughout the semester. Now, let me come back and outline how your grade will be determined as we go through the semester. I apologize, I was just on the content page, I didn't need to move. Okay, as we go through the semester, please pay attention to all the due dates, as I said earlier. Please don't wait until the last minute to complete assignments. Your grade is reflected on the work I receive, and if I don't have the work, I can't give you your preferred grade. So please plan early and get your assignments done as soon as possible. That being said, I will do my best to help you so you can earn your best grade this semester. Feel free to ask questions at any time so that I can help as the semester progresses. Your grade will be based on your performance on homework, labs, and the exams. As mentioned earlier, there will be one homework assignment per chapter, covering 14 chapters. 2 attempts on each assignment. The highest score will be counted toward your grade. For at-home labs, there will be 8 labs administered. Only 6 are required. If you complete more than 6, then those extra labs will be counted as extra credit towards your final grade. Again, these labs can all be done on your computer, so there's no need to come onto campus unless you have specific questions for me. And even then, I think I should be able to answer questions via email, or if you prefer face-to-face chat, Skype is available. Just contact me if you would like. Exams, again, will be available after the homework for the segment is completed. There will be one per segment. The exam will consist of 50 multiple choice questions based primarily on the homework. Here you will see that I outlined pretty much what I said, but a few more details. Please go through the grading policy to catch these last details that I may have moved over. Late labs will always be accepted for 75% credit up through the last Monday of the semester. For homework, I do allow 2 late submissions throughout the semester. This is to accommodate for emergencies. That way, an emergency happens, no stress, we can work with it. More than 2 late homework assignments, please contact me before the due date, and we'll see if we can help out with that. There are no ways to make up an exam or homework past those 2 late submissions unless arranged prior to the exam date or the homework due date. And for valid reasons, computer failure will not be accepted as a valid reason, nor will being unaware of due dates, as computers are available on all campuses and anywhere you go, and all assignments are already open, and the due dates are clearly indicated on the syllabus. So please plan ahead and make sure your assignments are done earlier. I hope this video helped you better understand the structure of this course and how to progress through the semester. I really am excited to work with each of you. There are often last-minute changes that need to happen through the semester. As they happen, I will post them here in the Falcon Online course shell. Please check here frequently, as I will regularly post new videos, supplemental material, and announce changes and clarifications throughout the semester. If you should have any questions through the semester, please feel free to contact me at any time. My email address is indicated here on the syllabus. Or, as I mentioned earlier, I would be more than happy to initiate a Skype call if that would help as well. You're welcome to come visit me in my office on campus during office hours, or schedule a time if my office hours don't work with you. Again, I am really looking forward to this semester. It has been a joy for me to teach this course. It really is a lot of fun, and students have always found the course to be very enlightening and exciting, really. So I look forward to working with you through this semester. Please feel free to email me with any questions you might have, and good luck.